We're going to be replacing our van light bulb with a 9007 light bulb. This light is out. You'll find this little knob, and you're going to pull it towards you. And you're just going to go to the corner and just pull that out. And then you're going to pull this down, pull that down, and then you're going to pull this off. And you're going to set it right. And then, if you want to separate this, you're just going to take this off. It's really easy. Next, you need a straight screwdriver. And with your straight screwdriver, you're going to put this under and pick it up. And pull it off. Open your light. You can throw the other part of the light bulb that are old away, and then you're going to put this capping on, and you want to put it on the flat side or else you can't screw it in, so you want the flat side to face up. You have your light, you want those to pick things to be one on this side and one on this side and this in the middle. You have to push on the sides, not the light bulb, or next to it, or you'll break it. Now I popped it in, and now you're just gonna come to this corner and put that there, and try to. Once it's in, you're gonna have to spin that, and you're gonna spin it the opposite way from you. So you're gonna have to wiggle this piece around until you can feel it be flat. And then you're gonna twist it away from you. And you can feel it because it will be flat. You're just gonna twist away from you. And then that's that. Turn the lights on.